Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan. Let me ask you a question. You like playing games? Well, a big part of playing games is having the right game controller. And I think I found that. So my master plan today is to give you my information on what I think the best controller is for the money out there on the market today. Let's go ahead and get started on that. So the first thing we're going to do is get the controller connected to our PC. We're going to do that through Bluetooth, but you can also connect it through the USB port. There is a USB-C port on this. You want to hit the sync button on the very bottom and hold that down with the X button in order to do it in Xbox mode. That way it will sync up to your PC as an Xbox Pro controller. If you want to connect it to a Nintendo Switch, you can just use the sync button by itself and it will connect up to a Nintendo Switch like that. So what we're doing now is connecting it through Bluetooth. We're finding it. You'll see the Pro controller and go ahead and connect to that. You'll then have full use of the controller to play all kinds of games on it. These controllers are actually very, very well made. The coating on them is not like paint or any kind of vinyl. It doesn't scratch off or come off very easily at all. And they look beautiful with the RGB. So playing games with them is terrific. They also have a port on there for headphones, an audio port there. And just a really nice design, and they're built really, really well. And if you look here, the smartphone connector, PC connector, they got macro buttons, remote wake up, so they do go to sleep, so it doesn't use up the battery. Motion control, dual vibration. Batteries last a long time on this too. Let's go ahead and open up Launchbox and go ahead and open up a game and try this out. Here's 18-wheeler. We're going to go ahead and open that game up. Old PlayStation 2 game. We're going to open it up with an emulator. If you're into games and emulators, definitely subscribe to this channel. I'll have much more great content coming in that area for you guys. And the 18-wheeler is going to open up with the PlayStation 2 emulator that we have here. And then we're going to go into the game controller settings in order to set the game controller up on the in the emulator itself. So you go there and you go over to the game controller, and you're going to want to go to the default settings, set it to X input, and map the default map and confirm that, and you are ready to rock and roll. Now we're opening the game up and we're going to do a little truck driving. Please don't laugh at me. I've never played this game before. I picked this game at random, so we will find out how bad I am at this game for the very first time. And there's the tire trucks rolling. We're going to drive some truck. So I know a lot of people out there really like truck driving games, and they are kind of a popular genre in the gaming world. And this is an oldie but goodie here. Like I said, I've never played it, so we'll find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're having fun with this video and enjoying the content. Hopefully all of you are. And if you're not, let me know in the comment section down below what I did wrong and how I can try to make my videos better in the future. Let's see how bad I screw this up, guys. Let's see. Going down Key West, there's a helicopter following me there. And it's telling me to shift up, shift up. I don't know how to shift. And then I accidentally shift in reverse. Ooh, that's not good. That isn't good for the truck, I don't think. I don't think trucks like that. So yeah, I got shifted back in forward, and it's telling me shift up. And yeah, I'm not very good at this game, like I said. Never played it before. So, I'm sure I would lose horribly. But looking at this controller some more, because that's what this video is all about. The buttons are really well made. You got to understand, both these controllers are over a year old, and I'll show you the price at the end of this video and show you the website and show you that they have a lot more options than just these two as well. The buttons are springy, they work really well, and they're still really good for this age. And I've used these controllers quite a bit. And they are my main controllers. I really don't use anything else because I don't have a need to. They're just compatible with everything, and they're really, really good. Let's go ahead and, the sticks are still springy, as you can see. They're still springing back into action, and yeah, everything's pretty nice with these things. I don't have really too much bad to say. That's why I wanted to do a review video. They didn't send these to me for free. I bought these myself. I paid about $20 each for these controllers. They go retail for about 40, so I got them on sale for an excellent deal. If you look around during the holidays, you might be able to do the same thing. And I hope you guys are all having a great day and enjoying yourself. Let's take a last look at the website here before we sign out. And I'll see you guys later. You guys have a wonderful day.